Hello dear shotgun lovers, this is Said from Ferrochi Armed Shotgun Company. In this video, I want to introduce the BP411 model bullpup shotgun of Ferrochi Arms. This model BP411 has an adjustable buttstock and aluminum forend. As you see, it is an all-black covered shotgun and it has magazine options of 2, 5 and 10 rounds. This bullpup shotgun has Picatinny rail on its around to mount a scope, hand grip or light. The magazine of this shotgun, unlike the magazine fed shotgun, takes part behind the trigger set. Additionally, it has options for rear and front bead sights. And now let's all have a test shot together of this model. For more information, you can visit our website, download our catalog, or contact us by email and WhatsApp. At the end of the video, we don't forget to say our motto: defend yourself, save the world.